Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, you find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the block in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, very exciting moment. First official visitation for Sikka Rhymes and the Queen of the Dancehall, Spice. Viewers and subscribers, yes! Sikka Rhymes, the VP, and Spice gave Vybz Kartel their first visitation for the year 2020. Viewers and subscribers, I will see Mama put out this post. She said at the happiest Valentine's Day this in her mind that she can remember. She said the teacher has impacted her life in such a great way she can never ever forget. Adija Palmer, the individual, we not just talk about Vybz Kartel, the artist. Them now have the artist behind the reel. Them have the individual behind the reel. And them need to do as the mama say, hashtag FWB. I'm not supposed to explain to you what that is. But just in the spirit of the whole reasoning, free world boss. No. Now, viewers and subscribers, Spice is also the first black female artist out of the reggae and dancehall genre to have 1 million subscribers on the platform right here, viewers and subscribers. And nothing normal. We talk about accomplishments. Mama, do it as an artist. We don't even say as a female artist, because this has been long said. Spice is booked more than, when we say, if you're going to look on some artists, you book more than, we're not going to just put females in the category. The man them have to do that too. Spice is one of the most booked dancehall or reggae artists out of the island. Undisputed. Sikka Rhymes, the VP, from Celebration to Like I'm Superman to Delusional, and talk no man just like Vybz Kartel did for Spice with the Ramping Shop track. He has taken Sikka Rhymes to the Billboard with the Tutanisha album and the feature track titled Delusional, viewers and subscribers. Definitely a good look. No, it has not been confirmed what was discussed at the link up. Sometimes I just want to see the artist make sure say him alright. Remember, we are waiting upon him appeal verdict date for no say at such time the artist will be released and all know we can't get a word. So we have to check in with the artist. Make sure say all is well. And one thing we know about the teacher, Vybz Kartel is an artist will remain strong. Big up Sean Stamp too as well. A very strong-minded individual, viewers and subscribers. So keep focused. Do him have to do. Loyalty is not a word. It is a lifestyle. And Sean Stamp lives that lifestyle, viewers and subscribers. Big up other co-accused as well. Madso Cairo. The world not forget you. The world not forget you no more, boss. Viewers and subscribers, mama visit. You know what I mean? Sikka Rhymes that said in his first TV interview, his first big major official TV interview, say no, you know what I mean, he don't know the situation where the teacher is and in a recovery mode at that point in time. Say never really, you know what I mean, venture out. And just they are going to put in the work too, mentally and physically. You don't have to do you don't have to do the cardio there. Some look a light cardio. You might think the situation was a serious situation. 3 binds the artist received. Serious situation. Now the artist is up and about. We see him on stage recently. You know what I mean? I put out a good performance. All white at the all white event. Everything all right. You know the something go. And as we would have said, we see him right now and visit the teacher. Definitely a good look. People always like to know, say yo, the ones them, the supporters, the well-wishers them, visit the artists. It's always a special moment, a nostalgic moment. Even when we see photographs after the visitation, I would say yes, the teacher in good health. You know what I mean? Always buzzle. Best dressed, if there was an award that we could have give to any inmate, the teacher is definitely the best dressed inmate we ever see. More is like the artists are gonna step out for your award show live. And just a family day visit. You know the something go. Yes, touch the road but a militant flex. Clean to the bone. Skellington vex. The teacher viewers and subscribers and a joke, something a joke, never in thing. One thing I can say though is this weight where the artists, co-accused, the fans, well-wishers, family members, immediate family, mute them. That weight where them are put with true viewers and subscribers. Yo, we can never say the weight is unbearable. Because the strongest battles are given to the strongest soldiers. So we know, so you would have to put in the work and fight the good fight. All we can say is, I'm disappointed in them. They make some look of people go at them brain viewers and subscribers because it's obvious at this point in time. Going at them brain and I tell them, say, yo, no, tie out the artist some more. Sweat out the artist some more. We're going to see if we can get him for fret. Them wrong. We'll stand strong viewers and subscribers. And say, Spice and Sikka visit the artist. Definitely a good look. Sikka rhymes, big up yourself, as I'm say. Career, definitely one of the fastest rising young dancehall artists of late 2019 and 2020. Not only big feature tracks, but also the single them a drop, the music video them a drop, and the people them a react well to it. Not just locally, but also internationally. You make a name for yourself in the dancehall music right now, my boss. And that is the aim and ambitions of any dancehall artist, whether already established or aspiring, to make a name for yourself. So when you drop music, people can say, yes, identify the sound and know that as such artists that, you know what I mean? That's our Spice too. Spice definitely carve a lane for yourself in a dancehall music viewers and subscribers. It is not that Spice replaced anybody. Big up Lady Sign where she there. Patra, you know the something go. People will always remember our dynamic female artists that brought our culture greatness. We not forget them. There is no replacement. We have is new people ascending to the throne. Right now, Spice is at that level in a dancehall music way. I share the female OC. When we talk about the major shows, the notoriety, the accolades, the million subscribers, as she will say, we not see nobody else. So of course, the streets crown her the queen. And that is how you should be crowned. You know, if you go around town, I tell people, say you buy a crown and know you are the king or the queen. Like what some artists do. You should be crowned by the fans. Just like all previous royalties in the game. Crowned by the fans. I don't need an award ceremony neither, even though Spice has had hers by Magnum. You know the thing go. Yes, Mama has had hers, but you know that. New track out too, you know. Rolling. Yeah, new track out too, you know, rolling past the million mark. And I should say this, Vybz Kartel and Spice. Them features at over 10 million. So I'm turn her back way. Yeah, she like that way. 10 million viewers and subscribers. And a little accomplishment. Remember, this video not out recently. That's for sure. Say good music live on. Them always talk about good music and it living on. See the music out there on the platform right now, and people are continue to watch it. Them not stop. People continue to watch it, continue to listen to the song, because this is what we define as good music. But not in a lie, Spice and the teacher definitely work well together. I look forward to see another feature in 2020. I know she was not on the album Tutanisha, but that was strategic within nature. You know what I mean? Yes, because the album would have been released in the hip hop and R&B genre. People that expect to see Spice on it because of the extensive work which I do overseas, and you know what I mean, the linkage which I have with other international superstars. But no, the teacher show the music, say yes, even with just featuring artists were known by the international crowd, of course, but also aspiring female artists. Female artists were upon the rise. They have them upon the level right now where you can see greatness. You can see them on greatness and meet up. Probably like tomorrow or maybe about Sunday evening. Them on greatness are gonna meet up viewers and subscribers. Vybz the one called Jaden Chase. the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, viewers and subscribers, and I'm reminding those who are new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but don't like the reason, and of course don't like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon and put it on all, so that you can be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also there as well, so if I may like where you hear, viewers and subscribers, drop a like on the vlog in true, the share icon there too as well, so you can tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel and check out the reasoning, viewers and subscribers. You know the something go. Yeah man, I move settings fam, and we don't need no ladder. Be respectful and mindful of the guidelines for the comment section though. But other than that, you know the sentiments, and for those who don't, I wanna live, love and prosper until we reason again fam.